Bluebook Mentor Handbook. For video, 21001 in Education Sector, Layer-Wise Weight Analysis. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. Version, 1.0. Based on the video titled Sankey Flow.mp4 and defined structure, here's a detailed explanation of the Sankey diagram video in the context of ISO 21001 for the education sector. ISO 21001 Sankey video. Welcome to the Sankey Flow visualization of ISO 21001 for the education sector. This animation shows how key educational quality indicators flow through an AI model, specifically a deep neural network, aligned with ISO 21001:2018 standards. At the left, the input layer captures ISO 21001 driven indicators. Curriculum design, student feedback, staff evaluation, inclusivity, and learning environment. These flow into hidden layer 1, where quality factors are normalized and analyzed through weighted activation functions. In hidden layer 2, we observe the recognition of deeper learning and engagement patterns. Hidden layer 3 forecasts educational outcomes and interprets strategic indicators of improvement. Finally, the output layer presents 3 AI-generated educational metrics: Quality Index, Recommendation Score, and Learner Impact Ratio. This animation visualizes how ISO 21001's principles of learner focus, institutional performance, and continuous improvement are transformed into measurable outcomes using AI. This video has been authored by Pradeep K. Suri, an AI mentor and architect in educational technology. Sankey video explanation, ISO 21001 DNN Flow. Video title, Sankey Flow, ISO 21001 Education AI Interpretation. Author, Pradeep K. Suri. Standard, ISO 21001:2018, Educational Organizations Management Systems. Large Blue Diamond 1. What is Sankey video showing? This video visualizes the flow of educational indicators through a deep neural network, DNN, structure aligned with ISO 21001. The Sankey diagram illustrates how different components of a quality education system influence AI model layers and ultimately lead to measurable educational outcomes. Large Blue Diamond 2. Layer-wise flow breakdown. Inbox tray input layer, ISO 21001 indicators. These are the starting nodes representing institutional inputs. Curriculum design. Student feedback. Staff evaluation. Inclusivity. Learning environment. These inputs are derived from Clause 8.2 and 9.1 of ISO 21001, which emphasize learner needs and satisfaction, learning resource suitability, stakeholder engagement. Gear hidden layer 1, normalization and quality factors. This layer processes the inputs into standardized formats. H1_1, sigma, Wx plus b, rightward arrow normalization. H1_2, sigma, W2x plus b2, rightward arrow feature filtering. H1_3, ReLU, W3x plus b3, rightward arrow selective impact detection. Bluebook ISO 21001 alignment. Instructional planning. Attendance impact. Teaching resource availability. Magnifying glass tilted left hidden layer 2, pattern recognition. Captures correlations between factors. H2_1, ReLU, sigma WH plus b, rightward arrow engagement and response analysis. H2_2, 10, sigma WH plus b, rightward arrow learner behavioral abstraction. Bluebook ISO reference. Clause 9.3, analysis and evaluation. Continuous improvement feedback loops. Chart increasing hidden layer 3, forecasting quality. Models future performance trends. H3_1, softmax, WH plus b, rightward arrow probability of improvement. H3_2, argmax, P_improvement, rightward arrow best strategic action. Bluebook ISO alignment. Strategic planning, clause 6.2. Learning outcome forecast, clause 8.3. Outbox tray output layer, educational performance metrics. Final nodes deliver actionable metrics. Quality index, QI aggregated institutional effectiveness. Recommendation score, readiness for improvement actions. Learner impact ratio, LIR degree of student success uplift. Bluebook matches ISO 21001 Clause 9.1, monitoring, measurement, analysis. Repeat button animation insight. The animation shows progressive activation of layers, mimicking how an AI model 1. Ingests data. 2. Processes interdependencies. 3. Outputs predictive metrics. White heavy checkmark benefits for mentors and institutions. Feature ISO 21001 relevance use in mentorship. Visual flow of data rightward arrow outcome demonstrates continuous improvement cycle helps ments connect inputs to impact. Layer-wise activation reflects DNN internal logic explains model transparency. Final output metrics, QI, LIR, maps directly to quality indicators drives institutional audits. End arrow final thoughts. This Sankey video transforms ISO 21001 principles into a tangible AI-powered visual model. It serves as a training tool for mentors, a decision support framework for administrators, a learning path visualizer for ments. Target audience, AI/ML mentors, educators, researchers, academic analysts. Compliant with ISO 21001:2018, Educational Organizations Management System. Thanks for watching the video.